You see the difference? Before and after. So this is my Instagram. If you can see, they are all in white background, all my photos. So today I'm going to show you how I edit these photos into white minimalist theme. So yeah, let's begin. Let's try to take photo of this, my office. So like that. So this is our photo that we took earlier. You see, it's dark. So from there, I will go to this app, new photo, click OK, go to features, this filter, I can go 100% or 90%, but this time I want to put to 90%, click OK, done, save the photo, then go back to my photo app. The photo is there. You can already see the difference, but then I'm not so happy with that yet, so I'm gonna go continue editing this photo. I go from there, then click here, and it's here, this says vivid. So just this photo I'm gonna use here 50%, and then I'm gonna go there and edit, adjust exposure. I'm gonna go, let's say 15%, 14%, and then I'm gonna go adjust also the brightness of the photo. Like that. Then, so this is the original photo, and this is the edited one. You see the difference? Before and after. So before I put this photo on Instagram, I'm going to go this preview app. I'm going to add that photo. And there. Click done. The photo is there. And then I can move the photos wherever I want to put it. If I'm happy with the photo, if the color is okay, and if I like that, then I don't have to edit. But if I'm not, then I still want to edit them, then I just go there and here, click adjustment, adjust brightness. I can adjust the brightness a little bit, just like that, and I think that's okay. And click save. There you go. So these are all my photos. These photos down here, they are all on my Instagram already, and these up here, they are not yet, but I'm going to upload them somehow later. So yeah, just you can move your photos if you want to. So you see, this is the photo what I just edited, and if they are all the same in color, and if I'm happy with it, and if I'm going to post them on Instagram, I just click the photo, and then here post on Instagram, go to feed, just there, then next, then you write a caption there, and then you click share. But I'm not gonna share this photo yet. So yeah, that is how I edit the photos. You see, this is the original, and this is the after edit. Original, This is the original and the after. Before and after. See, can you see the difference? So I hope you learned from this video. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. So this is my Instagram. White minimalist theme. I like these photos. So yeah, I have been doing this minimalist theme for so long time. You can see in my feed. Then I like it this way. I hope you learned something from this video. I will gonna share more editing tutorials later on. But right now, I hope you learn how to edit your photos for Instagram. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.